was my honourable mentions for 2017. Hey, it's Pam Duthie and it's a Wednesday, so it must be another needle felting equipment and supplies review. And today it's a little bit different because I want to do a little rundown of my top items that I tested in 2017. What am I still using? What do I totally recommend that you get out and buy? But remember, if these are things you're interested in, come back every Wednesday for more equipment reviews. And just a reminder, I'm not sponsored for any of these. I'm just letting you know what I've found useful in the past year. I'll have links if I can find any of them at reasonable prices, and these might be affiliate links which don't cost you anything, but they just help my channel. Okay, so we have reviewed so many products over 2017. Which ones am I still using? Which ones are worth getting? Let's talk about that. So in no particular order, first of all we have the needle felting holder. I've already made 2 videos about this, so I won't bang on about it too much, but I really can't believe I've been felting nearly a decade and not used one of these. They're great, completely recommend. And next, the Rotary Cutter. So quick and easy for cutting fabric for you to felt onto, whether it's going to be for 2D pictures or to make cute bookmarks or anything you feel like. It just makes life so much easier. And along with that, its friends, the cutting mat and the cutting ruler. These 3, absolutely a must if you're doing any kind of work with felt that needs cut. And next, the Silky iron-on transfer pen. I never really thought I would get into 2D needle felting, and I thought I would be rubbish at it, it would be too difficult, but the Silky iron-on transfer pen is actually fantastic. It's a game changer. So if you're thinking about doing any kind of 2D painting and you want a way to transfer pictures from a printout or from a drawing onto a fabric for you to needle felt, this is the gadget to get. Glass eyes from Amazon. I can't fault these really. I was surprised that something so cheap could be so fantastic, but I use these glass eyes just about every single day. I've been impressed not only with the quality for the price, but also the speed of shipping. I order them and they're here within a couple of days, so well worth it. At the same time, I am still in love with the Glass Eyes Online eyes. If you're looking for something a bit more quality, a little better, and if you're in the UK you don't mind waiting a bit longer, I would completely recommend them as an alternative. They have such a good range. Yeah, completely recommend them. Also, Wonderful Pre-Felt. This is fantastic little shortcut if you're wanting to make clothes or things like wing membranes or any thinner piece. It saves your fingers so much effort. So yeah, these are really good quality in such a range of beautiful colours, and you can felt them further. They're not fully felted, so they're great for manipulating and as a starter to felt. Paverpole fabric hardener. I'm in love with this stuff. I can't believe I hadn't used it until recently. Basically, it's fantastic for sticking my Amazon glass eyes on, but where it really shone was making the talons for the dragon, or if you want to make teeth or anything like that. I was really impressed the way that, yes, it seems a little difficult to use until you get the hang of, dunk it, leave it to dry for about an hour, and then you can manipulate and smooth it out and everything, and then it hardens into a nice solid felt piece. So yeah, it's slightly more expensive than a regular glue, but I really find it a quality product. So I've been using it again almost every day. And colour cards from any of the shops that you're going to be thinking of ordering fibre from. It's such a good idea to invest a little bit in getting the colour cards from that shop so you can see the colours without just having to guess at what it's like on a computer screen. And I just want to give an honourable mention to the Works Needle Felting Beginners Kit. This is a really great kit, and it surprised me. The quality of the fibres, there's a fair amount of fibres, the book is very inspirational, and it's actually really good needles. So for a cheap item from the Works, it is really good and really worth buying if you can get hold of one. I'm not sure if there's still much about, but definitely worth an honourable mention. So these are the products that I've been loving for this year. I wonder what we're going to find next year to have a go with. If there's anything you think that I should have a review, then leave a comment down below, let me know what it is. But thank you so much for joining me this year. I hope it's been helpful. Don't forget, hit my wee face to subscribe, come back every Wednesday, and I'll see you in 2018.